Here we go with another unboxing. Today it is the BMW M3 E30, the 1987 number 24 Blaupunkt car, driven by Olaf Manthe. This car won the 1987 Norris Ring Round of the DTM. This is a Minichamps model, 1/18 scale, and slicing open the box as always, carefully. And you see I have my new fancy white cotton gloves to keep me from getting my fingerprint and oil on the models as I unbox them and show them off. So removing the packing material from the box here, and for some reason this is a Target box. Okay, it looks like we've got a box within a box situation here, which is always a good sign. That means the person shipping this took the time to package it carefully. Slice open the inner box here, and we've got some bubble wrap between the inner box and the actual Minichamps box, and it still has the tissue paper on it. Another good sign, or most of the tissue paper on it. That's another good sign. That means this item was well cared for, or at least they wanted to give it that appearance as they shipped it to me. Now I just tore this tissue paper off because I won't need it. Slipping this out of the sleeve here. Put the box back there for display. Let's pop the lid off of this. Nope, not yet. There we go. Pop the lid off. Tissue paper inside. And we are actually going to unbolt this one so we can show off the opening doors and hood detail. So bear with us just a moment. Okay, we've got a loose car here. As you can see, it's a very lovely white and red livery there with a blue spot on the hood, and the gloves are too slippy. I can't get the hood open. There we go. Nice 4-cylinder BMW M-Power engine there. Don't ask me the engine code. I should know that, but I don't know it off the top of my head. I think it might have been an M15, but I could be wrong. Nice tight close-up on the engine detail there. As you can see, it's a well-detailed engine compartment and a forward flipping hood. Roll cage detail in there in the interior. We're going to open the trunk here and take a look in there. It's a little dark, but we have fuel tank and fuel pump details in the trunk. Lovely M3 badge on the trunk lid there. And that is a BMW M3. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching Cocktails and Crankshafts. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell icon, and we'll see you soon with new content.